the ball is on the table. You know, when I was young, I lost my father when I'm 8 years. So from there, my mother came back to her mom. That's where we have been growing. My grandmother doesn't allow me to go to school. So I grow up without go to school. So since I grow, I found the school is really good because I've been working with people's home, people's house. So I got a problem about reading. Even my friends, they used to laugh at me that why you don't know how to read? How will you manage this world? So I got married. The man I got married to, even he was just abusing me because the way I'm not educated. So I have 2 children with him, firstborn and the secondborn. They are twins. So I have 3 kids. After there, so I sit down. I come back. We get separated. So I came back to my village. After that, I found things that are not easily. I said now I should go back to school. Even if I start in P1, I will start from there. I couldn't not read because my boss, they used to put for me timetable. After that, they just go home, work. They leave you at home. I suffered. I used to call my neighbor, you come and read for me. What is this one? Say, they told you, you do this, you do this, you do this. That's how I learned from there. Now it was very difficult for me. What I want exactly right now, to know how to read, to know how to speak, to read, to write, because it will help me also to go to another place, even another job, a good job, even sometimes. So after learning this one, I want also to be working better, not working at the workplace, home, people's home.
My name is Madame Likicho Grace. I'm the teacher of Harriet. She came with a lot of confidence. She explained for me her situation, and she felt that she should continue with the studies. Then I welcomed that warmly. I received her as my child. I started presenting to her myself, and first of all I talked to her. I said there's no age limit for education. She is capable, and with her confidence she can just continue with her studies. Though she remained in P1 or 2 there, she can still catch up. There's no age limit for education. So since she had already shown for me the zeal to continue with the studies, so I also felt concerned, and I'm ready to manage and to do whatever she feels she should learn. That's why I'm ready to present to her and teach her whatever she can pick, so that she can catch up with the life.